Hello, today I'll be palpating regions of the rib cage and the thoracic spine, and I have my lovely volunteer here, Gina. She's going to be helping me this week. So the first, to palpate my first structure, I would have my volunteer lie down in supine position. Gina, can you please lie down in the supine position? Once I have my patient in the supine position, we can palpate her, most of her anterior thoracic regions. Gina, is it okay if I could touch your chest area?
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Once we locate the clavicle, we find the sternal notch, and the manubrium, then the sternal body, and it goes further down, but because of patient modesty, I'm not going to be palpating that region on video. We're going to look at her first rib, which is right below the clavicle. You can palpate that right easily. And then once you get the first, you can count down the second and kind of sort of the third, but it's deep in the tissue. Here we can feel, right after the clavicle, the anterior attachment of the first rib, right here. Now I'm going to be palpating the first rib here, and I would ask, Gina, could you raise your shoulder, please? Thank you. Now I'm going to be palpating the xiphoid process and the floating ribs. Gina, is it okay if I could pick up your, the bed sheet?
Yes.
The xiphoid process. And then we can palpate ribs, the floating ribs first. Floating ribs 1, 11 and 12, and then we see ribs 10, 9, 8 and 7 all coming together in the costal cartilage.
Region.
To palpate our posterior thoracic region, we're gonna have our patient in the prone position. And Gina, is it okay if I can touch your back?
Yes.
Okay. And we're going to be counting down her as we found the first rib. Then we're going to count down her spinous processes, her ribs 1 to 12, and then we have our floating ribs, which we can feel that we can trace them and feel that they don't attach.